The show starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
Dr. Assassin, please report to the operating room. Dr. Assassin, please report to the operating room.
That's me to call in, but Lord, I'm really having a rough time today. I am Dr. Assassin. Ass.as.sin. Welcome to Clinic Rebirth. I don't have much time with you all today because it's a very, very busy day. This whole week was busy. We had operations done. Man, I operate on foot, I operate on head, I operate on all kind of things. First of all, they call me and tell me that I have a heart patient. Some man having a heart attack. So I operate on the man, I open him up, I check him, check his heart, and I see the man ain't got no heart attack. His side check leave him. He had a broken heart. Well, that was something else. Then they tell me some man complaining about pain in his rib cage. So I have to go and check it out. Well, you know, it's operation again. I operate on him, open him up, check him, and then I realize the man missing a rib. That's the rib that God take out to make Eve. That's the pain he was feeling. Not in eating out his rib cage. Then a lady come to me, tell me she have headache, migraine, your grain, no brain. So they tell me I have to operate on her. When I checked the woman, her weaves and her braids were too tight. That's why her head was hurting all the time. She ain't had no headache. Nah, man. Then they tell me they got this guy who his intestines are being eaten out. Something eaten out his intestines. I got to operate. Well, I open him up. When I look inside, the man swallowed his false teeth, and that's what was eating up his intestine. I close him right back up. Then they tell me I got to do a kidney operation. Kidney? I know you got a left knee and a right knee. So I operate on the two knees. And they tell me I had to operate on the kidney. Well, I said knee is knee. I done with that. Boy, but you know what was bad? A lady come complaining that her son coughing and coughing and coughing. And I got to operate. I said, me ain't operating on nobody like that. If he coughing and coughing and coughing, that means he dead already, and they got a coffin to bury him. I ain't touching. Leave him there. But you know what was really rough? A man came back from the army. While he was in the army, somebody shoot off his top lip. Shoot it off clean. Well, you know, now with this modern technology, we take skin from his bottom, make a lip, and put it on. Now the man complaining that he got two bottom lips. They just can't please people. And then people asking me about wearing mask. If wearing mask is safe. Wearing a mask is optional. Okay? People wear masks during carnival all the time. Nothing happened to them. You know, so I tell them wearing a mask is optional. Because if your mask makes you look good, wear it. But if your mask taking away your beauty, leave it off. Okay? So wearing a mask is optional. Welcome to Ask Dr. Assassin. This is a segment where you could ask me anything. Remember, if you have any medical problems, you need medical advice, or you want to know what's going on with your body, or even your dog, you could write to me at drassassin@extratype.com. Anything you want to know, check me. Well, today on Ask Dr. Assassin, I don't have a question. Somebody come to me with a complaint. The lady said that I told her not to eat pork. That is not true, my dear. Pork never trouble nobody. It is the pig that killing people. You ever hear about swine flu? Well, don't eat no pig snout. Keep away from pig feet. And definitely don't touch pig tail. But pork, you could eat that. Yes, you could eat pork chop. You could eat spare ribs. You could eat ham. You could eat bacon. That don't kill nobody. It's the pig that killing people. That pig meat. Keep away from it. But go ahead and eat pork. Then somebody asked him about meningitis. What it is. Meningitis. Meningitis. I really don't know what that is. I'm going to have to look it up. Because I hear about men in space, men in trouble. I even hear about men in love. But I never hear about meningitis. Okay? So I'm going to look it up.
Dr. Assassin, please report to the morgue. Please report
That's me to call
to the
him.
morgue.
Oh Lord, I forget I leave a man in the operating room. I'm going to see you all next time.
This is an extra tight entertainment production.